Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my friends all over the world. So today I would like to continue to show you the Shaolin 5 Fist Qigong. If you forget something, no problem, you just practice the movements that you remembered. So you can practice slowly or quickly, no problem. It is combined with Qigong and Kung Fu. So you can firstly to the right side and then secondly to the left side or opposite. No restriction. So you are always free. Or you miss one movement, no problem. Or you modify the movement line, no problem. So if you forget how to control your breath or your focus, no problem. So you are always free. You can do it or you can wait to do it lately. So today I would like to show you some new movements. And now I will rotate my left hand this way and the right hand to right. I'll push my right hand to right side and the left hand to left side. Stretch a little bit. And then both of my hands, I will draw arc downward here. And then I will change two hands into fists and raise my elbow. I can move it quickly or slowly, just like this. And then I will change back two hands into palms and drop down my two elbows like this. And then I will raise two palms upward. The palm towards your backside. And then I will move downward two palms, cross like this, here, and continue to draw arc upwards. Above your head, change to fist, and move to touch your legs here. So hold for several seconds and then turn to your right side. Put your two fists here beside your waist and keep the bow stance. The front leg, the right leg fold and the left leg straight. And then move your center of, move your weight to the right leg and lift your left leg. Keep for several seconds. You can keep longer or shorter, no problem. So now you will step forward a little bit, relaxed. That's all. So okay, so next time I will continuously show you the movements, another movements. So let's do some review. So last time we stopped here. Now we will continue the tiger's movement for Shaolin 5 fists. I will rotate both of my palms to outside and push outside. I will keep for several seconds. I can push quickly or slowly, no problem. Then I will move downward like this. Here I will change two paws to fists, and I will raise my two elbows. And then I will do this way, and I will raise two paws upwards. And then I will cross two hands. I will draw two big circles with two arms and change the hands into fists. Directly move downward to touch my legs. So hold this position for several seconds, and then I will turn my body to right side and put two fists here beside my waist. This stance is called bow stance. And then I will move my body forward. I will lift my left foot. And just the right foot support my body. I'll keep for several seconds or 1 minute if you like. Then I will put my left foot forward, relaxed, and move my body, weight of my body forward, and step forward a little bit, my right foot, and turn to left. So finish. Okay, I repeat my all movements again. If you modify your movements, no problem. For example, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.